Ghost Recon split-screen capabilities.
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into Ghost Recon to answer one of your burning questions. Many of you have asked, how many players can play Ghost Recon in split-screen mode? Let's get right into it.
What is split-screen mode?
Split-screen gaming is when two or more players share a single screen but see different portions of the game. This mode is perfect for local multiplayer where players are physically present in the same location and don't have multiple screens available.
Ghost Recon split-screen support.
Historically, Ghost Recon games, like many tactical shooters, have primarily focused on online multiplayer and single-player experiences. Ghost Recon does not typically offer split-screen capabilities across its titles. The games often emphasize on strategic team play and large, immersive environments that might not be ideal for split-screen play. However, always keep in mind that specific features can vary depending on the particular title and its version. It's always a good idea to check the game's official documentation or back cover for details on multiplayer features. While Ghost Recon offers a rich multiplayer experience, split-screen isn't usually one of its features. We hope this clears up any confusion, and as always, happy gaming! Remember, gaming is best enjoyed with friends, whether online or offline. Until next time.